Hey guys, so today I will do you how to draw realistic charcoal shading. If you are a beginners, then you can a white paper or drawing copy and take pencil and start drawing with me. So let's start. I take time 1 hour. So let's start. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any queries regarding drawing, then you can ask in the comment section. And please share my video because sharing is caring. I have taken for this drawing charcoal pencil, graphite pencil, electric eraser, blending stumps and blending eraser. And I am shading an eagle. Guys, please tell how you like the background video.